Welcome guys. Let's do Voxys token technical analysis and price prediction. So please subscribe my YouTube channel. Current rank of Voxys is 289 and price of Voxys token is $3.77 right now. Market cap of this token is $227 million. Fully diluted market cap of this token is $1.13 billion. That is very good. 24-hour trading volume of this token is $80 million. Circulating supply of Voxys is 60 million only. Maximum supply and total supply of Voxys is just 300 million only. It is very low cap coin, and that is why this token is very important to me. Let me please show you some statistics. All-time high of this token was on December 16, 2021, about 18 days ago, and price was $4.76. All-time low of this token was on December 14, 2021, about 20 days ago, and price was just $2.30. Voxys return on investment is 1783%. That is very huge return. And it is available on Binance, Toko Crypto, and some other important exchanges. And if you want to buy this token on Binance Exchange, just go to in this video's comment section or in this video's description where you can get this link. This is Binance Exchange link. Click on this link and register your account. And after registration, you have to deposit. After first deposit, you can claim $710 bonus, which is absolutely free. You can also grab $9,180 bonuses of these exchanges. Just click on these links and register your accounts. After registration, you have to deposit. After deposit, you can claim these bonuses. These bonuses are absolutely free and these are tradable bonuses. Just trade with these bonuses only and put your seed money away. This is risk-free trading strategy. Let's dive into the content and let me please show you first chart. This is Voxel USD pair 4-hour chart, and currently price is at $3.76 right now, and it is in this ascending channel, and it is find at spot at $3.62, and this blue line, center line, is acting like a support and resistance. I think this is a good spot is at $3.62. Price can hold this. After that, price is ready to hit this target. I think price can easily hit again this target, $4.20. And after that, if price broke this blue center line, price can hit $4.62 price area and will hit its all-time high. And if price goes down and price break this channel towards downside, in that case $3.34 is our support area and $3.03 is our next support area. These are our support areas, and we have to wait and we have to watch this area, very important, $3.60 price area. If Voxys hold this area, then it can easily hit $4.20, maybe $4.60 very soon. Let me please show you some indicators. First of all, EMA ribbon. Candles break this EMA ribbon towards upside, and now this EMA ribbon is turned as a support zone, and that is a very good sign. And here you can see candles break this towards upside, and after that we see a move of, here you can see 47%, and that is a very good sign. And let me please hide this and let me please show you RSI, and current RSI is at 56, and it is very good sign. Now this crossover, if this happen towards upside, in that case price will be very bullish. We have to wait and we have to watch these levels very carefully. And this is the top of this Voxys token, $4.77. And let me please show you some fib levels. If I do this from current top to current bottom, here you can see. Let me please fix this and let me please show you. Here you can see. Here you can see. Currently it is holding 0.5 fib level, very important fib level, and it is at $3.61 price zone. And after that, 0.61 fib level, which is golden pocket, and it is at $3.89 price zone. And after that, 0.78 fib level, which is at $4.28 price zone, and after that this zone. And if it fails to hold this area, In that case, next area is 0.38 fib level, which is $3.34 price area, this area. And after that, 0.23 fib level, which is at $3 price area, this area. We have to watch these areas very carefully. But this area, as I told you before, $3.60 is very important to hold. If it hold, then well and good. And if it price break towards downside, in that case, price can go down to $3.34, maybe $3 very soon. Let me please show you my second chart. This is daily chart, and currently it is at $3.78 right now, and here it can face some resistance to break this zone, which is $4.12. Once it break $4.12 resistance, next target is $4.74. After that, $6.94. And here you can see it is having a support at $3.43 and $2.76 price area and $2.43 price area. These blue lines are support areas and these yellow lines are our main targets. But for these all targets, it have to break this area, $4.15 price area. After that, price can hit these targets very soon. And if I show you bottom, here you can see price bottom is at this level, the beginning of this tokens price at 20 cents price area. And if I calculate, first of all I have to show you some indicators. After that I will show you. This is because there is very low data, very low quantity data, that is why this EMA ribbon is not showing here. And let me please hide this. Let me please show you targets according to the fib levels. Here you can see now. Currently it is holding this 0.5 fib level, which is $3.59 price area. And next area is 0.61 in daily chart, which is $2.80. And if it break towards upside, next fib level is 0.38, which is $4.39 price area. After that, 0.23, which is $5.37 price area. This area is very important to hold, $3.60 price area. If price hold this area, then next target is $4.39, and after that $5.37. If price break this area, then price can go down to $2.80 and maybe $2.43 price zone. This is my tactical analysis, guys. I hope you like this. If you like this, then please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon right now. And if you want to get these bounces, $9,180 bounces of these exchanges, just go to in this video's description or comment section where you can get these links. Click on these links and register your accounts. After registration, you have to deposit. After first deposit, you can claim these bounces. These bounces are absolutely free after deposit. And these are tradable bounces. You can trade in Bybit with $4,100 absolutely free bonus. And you can also trade with $4,100 in Phemex exchange. This is my technical analysis, guys. I hope you like this. Please subscribe my channel and please always keep supporting me. Take care.